Today I'll show you the text effects used in my videos and how I create them. I want to tell you that in this video, I will give you two surprise gifts. The first gift is a secret app that will be very helpful for CapCut users. And I will reveal the second gift during the video, so don't skip it, because that second gift will be extremely valuable and useful for you. So, let's start the video. Want this? Want this? I made this animation from this app. App name, XUCHIHA, available on Play Store. Want this? want this. reveal second gift. Firstly, I tell you, I edited my video into parts. The first part is the text animation clip dot dot, and then the second part is the main edit, which includes animations, graphs dot keyframes, and other elements. So the gift is that I'll give you my first part edit for free on Telegram. So you can use that clip in your videos dot and improve your edits. If anyone wants a paid edit dot, feel free to DM me on Instagram or Telegram. And the price will be budget friendly. If you got anything from this video dot, please one like and one comment. Thanks for watching.